Understanding English. Adjectives and adverbs with different forms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on a crucial and sometimes tricky area of English grammar: adjectives and adverbs with different forms. This video will help clear up common confusions and ensure your English is spot on. Firstly, let's quickly recap. Adjectives describe or modify nouns, like beautiful, in beautiful flowers. Adverbs, on the other hand, typically modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, quickly, in he runs quickly. But it's important to know that not all adjectives and adverbs follow the same patterns when it comes to comparative and superlative forms. Some words, like good, well, bad, and far, have irregular forms. That means, instead of adding or est, or using more and most, these words change completely. Now let's look at some examples. Take good. The comparative form isn't gooder, it's better. And the superlative isn't goodest, it's best. Similarly, bad becomes worse and worst. For far, it can be either farther, farthest, or further, furthest. It's essential to remember these irregular forms. And remember, well is a special case. As an adverb, it follows the good, better, best pattern. But when it's an adjective, meaning healthy, it follows the regular pattern: well, better, best. Understanding these different forms is one thing, but using them correctly in sentences is what really matters. Let's practice. Instead of saying, "My dog is more good than yours," we should say, "My dog is better than yours." Instead of, "This is the most bad movie I have seen," we should say, "This is the worst movie I have seen." Instead of, "He runs more far than me," say, "He runs farther than me." Or you can use further. Both are accepted. So there you have it. We've tackled the confusing topic of adjectives and adverbs with different forms. It may take some practice to get used to these exceptions, but don't worry. You're doing great, and each step brings you closer to mastering the English language. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these forms in your daily English conversations and writings. In our next video, we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of English grammar. Until then, keep learning, and see you next time.